Okay, we're going to be submitting notes, and this is the procedure for taking your notes. So let's say you're in Khan Academy and you're taking 7th grade work. So we're going to click 7th grade, and you'll see here there's Unit 1 through 9. So let's suppose we're working with Unit 1. So let's click Unit 1. In Unit 1, we have videos. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then, oh, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 videos before the first quiz. So we're going to have to submit to our coaches notes on these 10 videos. So I'm going to show you how to take notes on these videos very quickly. This is Introduction to Proportions, and the video here. What we're going to do is that we're going to skip to the very end of the video, and we're going to take our notes from there. So right here, right about at the end. Okay, so this is where we're going to take our notes, and we're going to start with, we're going to write 7. That means 7th grade work. Then the dot, Unit 1. So your coach will know this is 7th grade and you're doing Unit 1. And what you're doing on Unit 1 is the constant of proportionality. So most all the words you're gonna abbreviate because we don't need everything. So constant of proportionality, and that's it. Okay, so very short. Now we're taking notes. This right here is video number 1, so we'll call it 7th grade. This means Unit 1, and that means video 1. So we're taking the notes right now for video 1. So if we look at video 1, it says we're doing proportional relationships. So I'll just put proportional relate. Okay. And then we'll put over here not proportional. Okay. All right. So let's write down the one that is proportional. It has a little graph here. The other one has a little graph. And this is number of eggs, so I just put number eggs. Cups of milk, let's say cups, and the word milk. And then over here, eggs, and then milk. All right, now we just need the words. Sorry, the numbers. 1, 3, and 12. Over here they have 2, 6, and 24. And over here they're putting down times 3. And over here they're putting down a times 4. Over here they have a times 3. And over here they have a times 4. Okay, so they have it over here and over here. And over here they have a ratio of 1 to 2. Here a ratio of 3 to 6. And a ratio of 12 to 24. Sorry. I mixed those up. 24. Alright. So, that looks bad. Alright, over here in this graph, they have number servings. And they have the cost of the cake. And over here they have nothing. So what they have now is a 10, a 20, and a 40. Over here they have a 20, a 30, and a 40. And over here they have a times 2 and a times 2. Over here they have a times 1.5. And over here they have a times 1 and 1/3. And over here the ratios are 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 and 40 to 40. And I can see not proportional because you have a times 3 times 4 times 3 times 4. Over here you have a times 2 times 2, but over here times 1.5, and see these don't match right here. Okay, so that's why it's not proportional. So we're done. All right, let's go to the next video. Okay, on the next video, we're going to go to the end of the video to write down what they have. Okay. let's see, let's just take it to the end. All right, this one will be a little nicer. I mean, we're just gonna write down what this words say. This is 7.1.2, the second video right here. That's why we have a 2. And it says which line has a constant proportionality. I'll just write constant dot propor, and that's between. I'll just write that. All the words are not important. Y and X of 5/4. If there's some important words, we can always play the video back and see what's needed. All right, the graph here, and we're going to write down just what we need. There are 4 graphs, so I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a point right here that's in blue, and the point is labeled as 2, 5, and the K is labeled as 5/2. We have another point right over here which says 4, 5, and that has a K that is labeled as 5/4. Okay, good. And there's nothing much more in all of these. And so then they write over here, they write a y/x equals 5/4, and they have a y equals 1x, and then they have lastly y/x equals 1. Okay, and that's all we need. Now, if it doesn't make a lot of sense, you can actually listen to the video while you watch this, but this is the first thing you want to do, is just go to the end, just write down what they have. Then you can listen to the video, or after you listen to the video, if it still doesn't make sense, then ask your coaches about what this is. All right, let's go to the third video, which is 7.1.3, the third video. Let's see what that looks like, and we're going to take notes on that. Okay, let's start that video. Let's see here, and let's put this right at the end. Okay, yeah, this is all we need. All right, so let's go ahead and write that down. So this is number 3, and the following kind of. So the question is, what is the constant of proportionality between y and x? Okay. All right. Again, we can watch the video or come back and watch if this needs to make more sense. All right. So the graph we're gonna make very simple. Put a line here, and we have a dot here, and it's right at 3, and this right here is right at 1. There's another dot here. They say that's at 6, and down here they say that's at 2. All right, then they have a table, so we're gonna write down the table, x and y, and the numbers they have there are 0, 1, and 2, and over here they have numbers 0, 3, and 6. And then have arrows here, and they have a times 3, another times 3 there. Okay, so that's done. And so they have y equals kx, and then they write y equals 3x, the little box around the 3. So we're done. And so once you get through with all the videos, you're going to submit these to your coaches, and they're going to check them and check them off. And so you'll be able to get credit for those. Once you get credit, then you'll be able to take the quiz for the first quiz for Unit 1, which is after all these videos. Let's see here if I can get to that quiz. Okay, yeah, these are all the videos here. And then once you're done with those 10 videos, and there's the quiz right there.